Morning, guys. Kind of a sad morning because I'm leaving this guy. I'm going to another place. So I didn't vlog yesterday, and I'm sorry. The evening, when we came back, I went training and then we did some stuff. It was really sweaty because somebody turned off the electricity and the conditioners didn't work and everybody were hot. I came back sweaty, so I didn't vlog anything. But today we're basically leaving. This is like my grandma's house, and the taxi is taking us over to this house on the beach. I forgot what the place is called, but I might not ever see this guy again. He's gonna stay here, and I'm not sure if we're coming back. I think we're staying there until we leave to the flight. Bonya. I wish we could take him, but we can't. It's not our flat to take. Goodbye. Bonya. Bonya.
А что за твою работу не найдешь?
Guys, I don't believe this. So this is like a YouTuber, Russian YouTuber, and she has almost 1 million and stuff, but she went to Bulgaria as a camp, and she went to the exact aqua park I went last month, or like 2 months, I think last month. I remember by that thing. I am so in shock. I'm shocked. But anyways, the fact is, we arrived. We're at the hotel room and we are waiting for the people to tell us how much we have to pay for a month, I think. But I am watching that video and I'm just like, she was in the same exact aqua park I was. But we're going to the beach very soon, and I'm going to show you the glasses I got yesterday because I never told you, the sunglasses. They're not prescripted, which is a problem. So I never told you we have a small financial problem. We came here and the price was way bigger, like twice as big except when they told us the price. So we're looking for a new place to stay. So I'm back. Also tomorrow I will show you we found a house to go to in the end after a long time. So we swam, we ate, all those good stuff. We're back and we're about to go to sleep, so there's nothing much. Have a fan in the background. So it's the next morning. I am at the new place, just saying, and I have this beautiful fan which is blowing exactly at me, which is really nice. We're going to the beach soon, just after I finish eating some, I don't know what these are called. These are nice. These are not healthy, but they're nice. So we're at the new place, really happy. Yeah. That's the door. We just left it. We put the blinds over it, and this is the TV mirror, the beds, and then the beautiful bathroom. It's so beautiful. I'm shook. Hello. So I'm back at home. I'm watching Rice Gum. Yeah, I'm watching Rice Gum. I just came back from the beach. The the water was like crystal clear. I had some goggles. I saw so many fish. Like there were literally small tropical fish, and there were huge fish which I was scared of. But like this was really cool. But now we need to get ready because it's 2 right now, and at 3 we need to go on a ride to the waterfalls, which I think will be pretty. That was one hell of a rope. I am shaking. I'm red. My hair needs questions to be asked. I don't understand. So I'm back. My storage obviously ran out, so I couldn't film the way back. But like everybody stood up in the Jeep, which was really cool. I really liked the whole day, except that I got sunburnt, obviously. But today when I went swimming, like literally I saw huge fish. Like, but I also want to get new goggles, well, a face mask, like a mask, instead of those small little goggles. They're really uncomfortable because I wore them like years ago. But I am in the kitchen. This is our kitchen. Yes, we get our own kitchen. And I'm just gonna do some editing or something, probably YouTube. KSI is releasing a diss track soon. It's gonna be fire.
See and take you where you wanna be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound.